and it's time to get your pond in tip-top shape. As a current Garden State Koi customer, you already know how important it is to maintain your water feature for the health of your fish, plants, and overall enjoyment. To help you prepare for the season, our team at Garden State Koi is excited to offer our spring drain and clean services. This comprehensive service ensures that your pond is looking its best and functioning optimally all season long. Don't miss the opportunity to sign up for our maintenance services and enjoy a stunning, healthy water feature this year. So what's included in our drain and clean services? Our experts will carefully drain your pond, remove any lingering debris or buildup. Once drained, we'll thoroughly rinse the pond and begin the refilling process. Our team will remove any sludge, debris, and leaves that have accumulated over the winter months, ensuring a fresh, clean start for your pond this spring. We'll carefully transfer your fish to sanitized holding tanks while we clean and service your pond. Our technicians will then power wash your entire feature, including any waterfalls, streams, or fountains, to ensure a thorough and deep clean. We'll then trim and clean up any plants in and around your pond to promote healthy growth throughout the season. Then our experts will assess the health of your fish, making recommendations for any necessary treatments or care. We'll also inspect your pond's lighting system to ensure it's functioning properly and make any needed adjustments or repairs. Our team will then clean and vacuum your skimmer and biofalls filters, ensuring they're ready for the season ahead. We'll also service your pond's filtration system and pumps, making any needed repairs or replacements to keep your pond running smoothly. Once we've completed servicing your pumps, we'll reconnect them to your pond system. We'll also inspect your pond's water quality, pump, and filters to ensure they're functioning optimally. Finally, we'll provide recommendations for any further improvements or repairs to enhance the beauty and health of your pond. Sign up for Garden State Koi's spring drain and clean services and kick off the season with a fresh, healthy, and beautiful pond. Don't wait. Let our experienced team handle the hard work so you can sit back and enjoy your stunning water feature all season long. Contact us today to schedule your spring maintenance services and experience the Garden State Koi difference.